What's going on, Mullen fans? We're going to talk on this anticipated interview that is confirmed by Charles Payne himself to be interviewing CEO of Mullen Automotive, David Mitchery. Charles Payne does speak on making money on Fox Business. And let me tell you a few numbers about Fox Business. They have 2.2 million subscribers on YouTube, over 2 billion views since 2008, and they average during key business hours 200K viewers. Right here down below, pinned on Charles Payne's Twitter page, it says, I've invited the CEO of Mullen to be on Making Money on Fox Business, and he accepted. Please tune in. Show begins at 2 p.m. I have already gathered some of your questions, and I have a few of my own. See you later. Now, I'm a big fan of Charles Payne. I've been watching his commentary on Fox Business for a few years now, and from what I've seen, he's always had retail investors back. He's always had the backs of the sincere investors, the little guy out there. And he understands the struggles of everyday Americans, and he speaks up about it. Now, Charles Payne did say that he has questions from shareholders and questions of his own for David Mitchery. And today is the day that David Mitchery can really take action and stand up in front of hundreds of thousands of people that will be watching today and let them know that these firms out there that are wrongdoing the stock should start to really worry and be aggressive for shareholders, stick his chest out there and let them know that this that has been going on with the stock price is not right. Here's what we've been doing. Here's what we're planning to do. David or whoever's going to be representing Mullen Automotive better come in there holding their balls for this interview. Chris over on Twitter says, Charles, I've been in the market over 3 decades as a strategic advisor, head of IR, financial writer, angel investor, etc. I currently work daily with EX, head of Amex market analysis division, examining trading in securities I consult for. Never, ever have I seen such manipulation. Mullen has been under attack for over 2 years. CEO David Mitchery was, in my opinion, lied to by financiers who illegally naked shorted against deals to death spiral a good company. CEO is now taking back this company and getting justice for his shareholders. Thank you for helping bring this financial tragedy to light. TD Ameritrade, Charles Schwab, stealing from American citizens, allegedly. So let me know if you think Charles Payne is going to hit David Mitchell with some hard questions, or it's just going to be a short to the point type of interview just to get him some exposure out there on the media. Last time I checked, Mullen trading at around 58 cents per share, green on a day up 2.87%, and there is already 80% of the total volume going off exchange. But there is something else interesting about this that I wanted to point out to you all. Short volume. Behind me is blank blocks for Cboe Global Markets. Supposed to be reporting their short volume daily here on Chart Exchange is what I'm looking at. And I get down here on point number 2 down below. It says not every exchange reports the daily short volume free of charge or at all. So that is something to keep in mind. But number 4, you can see that Cboe stopped publishing short volume on June 30th, 2023. And you can also see that on this short volume chart. You see where it's purple right above me? That is Cboe short volume. Obviously, after June 30, you can see that Cboe stopped reporting their daily short volume. The term short volume measures the number of shares that have been shorted over a given period of time. So why would they stop reporting the amount of shares that have been shorted since June 30? And some may know that around that June 30th time frame, there was some interesting stuff that occurred, including the Series D investors exercising their final option, which brought in $100 million cash for company. And as well, failure to deliver numbers were through the roof. 50 to 60 million daily FTDs for Mullen Automotive Company. And also remember, after that June 30 date, not too long after, we had a spike from around that 10-cent mark to around 40 cents per share. Just something to keep in mind, to bring to you all's attention. Make sure you're aware. Might be something serious, it might not. I just found that it was very interesting. As you see down below, that SIBO stopped publishing their short volume on June 30th when FINRA short data, NASDAQ short data, NYSE short data all say the time frames that they're going to report their data. Hope you guys find this information valuable. Let me know what you guys think about Mullen's price action. Where do you see Mullen going here leading into Friday following today's interview? Hope you guys have a good one. I'll catch you next one. I'm gone.